Please let me know when all of you join. Okay. Anybody few, please let me know when all of you join. We'll be waiting for 1 more minute.
Okay, sir.
Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hi, everyone. So we'll be doing with linear inequalities today, right? And
Yes,
the NCERT problems basically that we have to do, I've been asked for doing that. Till what question or till what exercise you have done?
Sir, fifth chapter we have completed. We have to start with miscellaneous.
Fifth chapter. Fifth chapter or linear inequalities?
Yes, sir.
Fifth one is the linear inequality or the sixth one? I could not get that. What NCERT I do have that is containing sixth
Sir,
chapter
sixth
as the
exercise, linear inequality.
sixth one is na. Please, I cannot get it. Do we have to start linear inequalities or do we have to
We
do
have we have to start with miscellaneous exercise and linear.
Okay. Now I got it. We have to start with miscellaneous exercise of uh, linear inequalities. So all of you open that. What first question do you see that? Is it something like this? Solve the inequalities in the exercise 1 to 6 or 2, 3x minus 4. Do you get something like this? The first question? Yes or no? Is the first question like this? I do have the older NCERT. I need to download the new one. Please tell me, is it something like this? Anybody, please say, is the first question goes like this?
yes, sir. It goes like that.
Same question? Okay. So we'll be starting with the first question. Okay. That we have to start with exercise 6. Sorry. Yeah, this is miscellaneous now. Miscellaneous exercise. Miscellaneous chapter 6. Miscellaneous chapter 6. Right? Okay. All of you start with the first question. The first question we have to say that we have to solve the linear inequalities. And the inequality says that the first question, 2 that is less than equal to 3x minus 4 and that is less than equals to 5. So we have got two equations. Try to solve this. Get me the answer, everyone.
Sir, x greater than or equal to 2, less than or equal to 5.
X greater than equal to 2, less than equal to 5. No, this is wrong. This is wrong. Okay, let me solve it. I'll be just giving you 1 or 1.5 minutes to any question. And please try to do this into that particular time frame. So we have an equation
Less
3x
than
minus
equal
4.
to 3, sir.
Yeah, that's correct. Less than equals to 3. Greater than equal to 2, less than equal to 3. How do we do this? The method is that what you have to do, first of all, you just want to have the x number, this number x, the variable x in the center, and then whatever it be in the left hand side or right hand side that we have to find. That is the our limits. Okay, that is the condition which we have to fulfill. So how do we get that? So what we can see here is that either I can add 4 in all of these three terms. All of these three terms I can add. 1 minute. Yeah, right. So what I do, I'll be adding 4 on all the three sides. So it will be 2 plus 4, 3x minus 4 plus 4, and then 5 plus 4. So it will be like 6 less than equals to 3x less than equals to 9. Now what I'll be doing, I have to remove this 3. I'll be dividing all of the 3 terms with 3. So it will be 6 by 3 less than equals to 3x upon 3 less than equals to 9 upon 3. Whatever iteration you have to do in all of the terms. So it will be 2 less than equals to x less than equals to 3. So x will belongs to under square bracket 2 comma 3. You understand this as square bracket and close bracket, curve bracket? You all know this? The meaning of the square bracket? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Square bracket means you have to include 2 and number 3, right? And otherwise we'll be including, we'll be writing it like curve bracket. This curve bracket means you have to exclude that term. Understood this question? Go on for the next one. Question number 2. The question says that it is 6 less than equals to minus 3, 2x minus 4 less than 12. Go on. I need the answer in this term. Done? Did you get the answer?
X greater than or equal to 1 less than 0, sir.
Now tell me this way. Square bracket, circular bracket, you get on that way.
Sir, x belongs to square bracket 0, comma 1 square.
And then square bracket again. I
Sir,
don't think so.
round bracket on 0, sir.
Round bracket on 0. This is correct. This is correct. 0, comma 1. This is correct. How? Okay, so first what you have to do, you have to solve this. So it will be minus 6x plus 12. Then what you have to do, you have to remove this 12. I'll be subtracting 12 in both of the sides. Minus 6x plus 12 minus 12 less than equals to 12 minus 12, right? So it will be 6 minus 6. Then it will be minus 6x and then 0. I'll be dividing it by 6. See, negative sign has got different iterations. So you have to consider very carefully when you're doing the operations with the negative sign. So it will be, first I'll be dividing it by 6. So minus 6 by 6 less than equals to minus 6x by 6, then 0 by 6. Then it will be -1 less than equals to -x less than equals to 0. Now, if you multiply with -1, multiplying with -1 changes the direction. -1 changes the direction. This is what is happening here. It will be 1 greater than equals to x less than 0. So x, here you see that the equal to sign is not there. So it starts with 0. It starts with 0 and n that's 1 and that too with a square bracket. Understood, everyone? I need the answer from every one of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Twin, Sanjana. Good, good. Right. Write it down. Shall we move on to the next page?
Sir.
Right. Third question. Question third. It says that -3 less than equals to 4 minus 7x by 2 and then less than equals to 18. Go on. It's easy. Is it done? Do it fast.
Sir, x belongs to -4, comma 2, square brackets.
X belongs to -4, comma 2. That is correct. Okay. So how will we be doing this? -3. First, we have to subtract 4 from there. So 4 minus 7x upon 2 minus 4 less than equals to 18 minus 4. Okay. It will be -7. Here, this 7x upon 2 minus 4 will get cancelled. Here, it will be 14. Now, what you have to do, we have to divide it by 7. -7 upon 7 minus 7x upon 7 into 2, 14 upon 7. So it will be -1 minus x upon 2, 2. Then you have to multiply it by 2, minus 1 into 2, minus x upon 2 into 2, 2 into 2. So it will be -2 minus x, 4. So if you change the direction, you'll be getting 2x minus 4. So starting from here, ending here, so x belongs to -4, comma 2. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Everyone, tell me. Shall we move on? Fourth question. Fourth question says that -15 less than equals to 3x minus 2 whole divided by 5 less than equals to 0. Go on, do it fast. These are easy. Do it as quick as you can, but without doing any mistake.
Sir.
Yeah,
Sir.
yeah, go on.
No, sir. In book, the question is -15 less than 3x minus 2 by 5. Not equal to.
This is there.
Yes.
On my book, it is opposite. Okay, no problem. Do it like this.
Sir,
Yeah.
x belongs to round bracket minus 23 comma 2 square bracket.
Minus 23 comma 2. Like this?
Yes, sir.
That's correct. Okay, let's solve this. So first what to do, we have to multiply with this. I will be multiplying it with 5 minus 15 into 5 less than 3 into 5 by 5 and x minus 2 less than equals to 0 into 5. It will be minus 75, 3x minus 6, 0. Then I'll be adding 6 minus 75 plus 6 and I'll be dividing by, now I'm doing it directly, right? Minus 6 plus 6 divided by 3, 0, and then plus 6 divided by 3. So it will be 81 divided by 3 minus 20, 81 now. Is there a mistake? Minus 70, 15 5s are 75.
Sir, minus 75 minus 6. Sir.
Sorry. Then it will be minus 6. It will be, no, it will be plus 6. It will be around, yeah, it will be giving you 23. Minus 75 plus 6 is 69. Minus 69 upon 3. Here you'll be getting x and here you'll be getting 2. This sign will be not be there. It's okay. So minus 23, x, and then 2. It's correct. Everybody getting this?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, please say yes or no. Ashwin, Ananya, Sanjana, Shweta, Chitesh, you're not speaking anything. Chitesh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
All of you understood here?
Yes, sir.
Good. Question number 5 then. Go on. Maths and physics are matter of practice. Less theory, more practice. 3x divided by minus 5 and then less than equals to 2. Go on. Solve this. Is it done? Is it done? Yes or no? We're taking too much time. These are easy.
Yes,
You
sir.
just have to do some iterations.
Sir, x
Hmm.
belongs to closed, round brackets minus 80 by 3, comma, minus 10 by 3 square bracket.
Very good. Anirudh, did you get the answer? Ananya, Ashwin, what about you?
Yes, sir, I got the answer.
Good. So what you have to do? We just have to multiply. First, we have to like solve it something here, I think, to ease it down. It will be plus here, 3 by 5x, and then 2. So minus 12, it will be,
-4.
oh yeah, first minus 4. And then what we can do? Minus 4. And yeah, first let us do that. So 4 plus 3 by 5x minus 4, 2 minus 4, it will be minus 16. Then 3 by 5x minus 2. So we just have to multiply with 5 by 3. 5 by 3. 3 by 5x into 5 upon 3 less than equals to minus 2 into 5 upon 3. It will be minus 80 upon 3 and x, and then minus 10 upon 3, right? So we got it.
Yes.
Oh, I mistakenly wrote it here, the negative sign. Equal to sign, it is not there. That's just fine. Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Good going. Question number 6 now. Go for 6th one.
Sir,
Yeah, got it?
yes, sir. X belongs to square brackets 1, comma 11 by 3.
Yeah, that's correct. Let us solve it further. It is 7 less than equals to 3x plus 11 whole upon 2 less than equal to 11. The first I'll be multiplying into 2 and then minus 11 and whole by 3, right? If you do that into 2, then minus 11 and then that 2 whole divided by 3, whole divided by 1 by 3. So 11 minus 11. First into 2 now. First into 2 minus 11 whole divided by 3. So if you solve this, 14 minus 11, that is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Here you'll get x only, and here you'll get 11 upon 3. 22 minus 11, that is 11, and whole divided by 3 is 11 by 3. This is what you get. Understood, everyone? I'm
Yes.
just shortening the steps. I'm just trying to shortening the steps. Ashwin, Chitesh, Anirudh, Sanjana, did you
Yes,
understand?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, you tell me. Don't be shy. Okay, question number 7. Okay, now solve the linear equality, represent the solution graphically on the number line. We have to now solve and show it in the number line also. We have two equations. Then 5x minus 1 less than 24. Try to go. Do you know this? How to solve this, or shall I do it one for you?
Can you show one, sir?
Okay. So first, what we have to do, we have to write two equations. Two equations we will be getting. First one from this side, second one from this side. I'll tell you. So 5x should be greater than minus 24 minus 1. So 5x is greater than 25 minus 25. X is greater than minus 25 upon 5. So that means x is greater than minus 5. This is one equation. Next equation, 5x minus 1 is less than 24. So 5x is less than 24 plus 1. So x is less than 25 by 5. X is less than 5. Okay. So either x is greater than minus 5 or it is less than 5. Are you getting my point? So if you represent this situation in a number line, so basically our graph of x will be what? It should be between, first of all, it is a curved bracket. So it should be greater than minus 5 and less than plus 5. This is our condition. So first we'll be marking the line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and minus 6. Our x should lie between minus 5 to 5. So minus 5 is here and 5 is here. I'll be joining like this. This is my range of x. I'm writing it here with a circle. Okay. Another way was if in case my answer was x belongs to square bracket minus 5 to 5. This is not the answer. I'm just saying if in case. So the representation was solid circle from minus 5 to solid circle plus 5. The solid circle means inclusive. And this hollow circle means exclusive. That means you have to leave this curve bracket. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I'm just writing here if answer was this would have been the graph, but the answer is this, so this will be the graph. Okay, one more thing. If my answer is x belongs to curve bracket A and square bracket B, so answer will be, let us say that A is here, B is here. So answer curve bracket means circle, square bracket means solid. It will be like this. Understood? Yes or no? Yes or no? Understood? Yes or no? Everyone, did you understand it? Good. Now go for the next one. Question number 8. This I've done. Shall I change the page? Have you written it? So go for question number 8. 2x minus 1 less than x plus 5. This is one condition. Then next condition is x plus 2 times 3 should be greater than 2 minus x. Do this. Done? Is it done? Say yes or no. Is it done? So what's the answer you get?
X less than 7, X greater than -1.
X less than 7 and X greater than -1. That's correct. Good. So two equations. This is 2x minus 2 less than x plus 5. Take x other side, x, and this I'm taking this as other side. So x less than 7, you get 1 from here. And 3x plus 6 greater than 2 minus x. Take x other side, 4x is equals to 2 minus 6. So 4x greater than -4, x greater than -1. Because this is two things. These are two things. So x belongs to what? X belongs to what? Starting from here, -1 to 7. Curve brackets both sides. On the number line, 0, -1 will be here, 7 will be here. Both the circles like this. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, Vandana, Ananya, Sanjana, Sitesh.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Go for the ninth one. Ninth one. Do it fast.
Sir, x greater than 5, so 5 to infinity.
It's greater than 5. I think 2 equations we'll be getting now. Okay, let me solve this.
Yes, sir.
3x minus 7 greater than 2x minus 6. 6 minus x greater than 11 minus 2x. So it will be 3x minus 7 greater than 2x minus 12. X will be greater than minus 12 plus 7, that is minus 5. This is one equation that we'll be getting. Next equation. So 6 minus x greater than 11 minus 2x. If you take it other side and this other side, 2x minus x will be greater than 11 minus 6. X is greater than 5. So 2 equations. X starting from where? Greater than minus 5, and x should be greater than 5. Okay. So greater than minus 5 means what? X belongs to minus 5 to, shall I write minus infinity or plus infinity? Think and tell me.
Plus.
Plus infinity. Because if you draw the number line, 0 here, minus 5 here. So greater means towards the right. Lesser means towards the left. So greater than minus 5, you are starting from minus 5 to the infinity. Second condition saying what? Second condition is saying what?
5 to infinity. 5.
Yeah, x belongs to 5 to infinity. That means from my first equation, I'll be getting something. Think and tell me. This is very logical question. One line I'm getting from here to infinity like this, right? Another line I'm getting from here to infinity. What I have to do, I have to find the common. What is the common part from both of the equations? Exactly. So 5 to infinity is the common part. So my answer will be this. The net graph, the resultant graph will be this. This will be the answer. Understood? So x belongs to 5 to infinity. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we are keeping it here for today. Right? Any doubts that the questions we solved today?
No, sir.
Everyone, any doubt? You need me to explain something?
No doubt, sir.
Good, good. Hope you liked the session. So if you
Yes.
don't have any doubt, shall we end it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.